Hey everyone, I'm glad you're back watching another video. Today I'm just going to show you the basic cost analysis of adding an electric vehicle into your home. But before I do that, I'm going to show you how we can tell you exactly how many more panels you would need to equate to offset the added kilowatt hour usage when you're adding an electric vehicle into the home. So here's how we do it, guys. There's no guesswork into this. This is pure engineering. And what we will do is take your so let's just pretend we're going with a home that's spending $200 a month with PG&E. The yearly cost is $2,400. You can see the historical usage and the historical cost running across there. That equates into dollars, and dollars equate into kilowatt hours. So you can let us know what your dollar amount is or what your kilowatt hours are. So eventually we'll get down into here. We'll say you're adding an electric vehicle, and I have in here a Chevy Bolt. I happen to drive a Chevy Bolt. For all you Tesla people, I'll be there one day. But for now, I got the entry level Chevy Bolt as a company vehicle, and I love it. It drives wonderfully. But I'm not here to sell electric vehicles. What I am here to talk about is the cost benefit analysis. So we're also going to assume that you're adding a level 2 charger, which we install. We're going to assume that you're driving 37 miles a day and that you'd like to do your charging in the evening. We're going to apply those changes, and what will happen is it will then calculate exactly how many panels you will need, what's the added kilowatt hours that are necessary. So you see how everything rose here. Here's the historical, and then we come up to here. This is what you would need. Again, it's pure engineering. We don't guess. This tells us exactly what we need to do. And then you can see the peak demand here after peak hours. You're going to do the charging in the evening, so you can offset those costs as well. And one thing I want to do is, speaking of costs, I'm going to show you the numbers, guys. When you calculate gasoline at $6 a gallon, you got $6 gallon gasoline. I'm showing here a 2014 Chevy Malibu, just a standard vehicle where gas mileage is 24 miles to the gallon. Then we're going to flip it over into a Chevy Bolt, and now you're going to see the difference. We're also going to assume that you're paying 8 cents a kilowatt hour for power. Right now, you're probably spending between 40 and 42 cents a kilowatt hour, but with solar, we're going to bring it down to 8 cents a kilowatt hour. So this is what would happen if you drove 20,000 miles over the course of a year. You would actually save $4,550. If you drove your same car over 5 years at 20,000 miles a year, it's saving your household $22,752. Most of the time, that's a bigger savings than the cost of the system itself, the solar system. Not to mention, there's rebates and incentives and tax credits for solar and EVs. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you're looking for a way to hedge against the cost of inflation and against the cost of rising interest rates and the cost of gasoline and electricity, this is an awesome way. All you have to do is get a needs assessment, and we'll figure it out for you. When you click the link, you'll be directed into a place to book an appointment. And hey, it takes us about 15 minutes, and we can take good care of you in no time flat. Hopefully this video finds you well. My name is Browder Morrissey. I'm the founder of California Power. I'll see you later.